Hello, I'm Matt and welcome back to Workshop. I'm moving house and I've got a lot of heavy stuff to move, so I thought some kind of dolly to move things on would be useful. I've got this bit of 18mm ply, but I want to make it really strong, so I'm going to laminate two bits together. The thickness is going to make it strong, but also I want to be able to recess the bolts, so if I just used a single skin of ply and drilled in to recess the bolts, it wouldn't leave much material left. I hope that makes sense. You'll see what I mean in a bit. So with the two pieces glued and sandwiched together, I can get on pretty much every clamp I own. Obviously it's hard to apply some clamping pressure to the middle, so that's where my railway line comes in. I leave it for several hours to make sure the glue is properly set up, and then I can trim it to its final size on the table saw. As you can see, I've got quite a lot of material left over, but I did that on purpose as I thought it would be useful to have it for another project. I got these really heavy duty 100mm castors. I think they're rated at 150 kilos each, so I think they're going to be strong enough for what I need. So I've marked out where the holes need to go to attach them, and I want to put bolts through, but I want the heads of the bolts to be recessed, so I'm just drilling down with a Forstner bit first, and then in the centre of the hole I can drill a hole for the bolt. Castors can then be put into place and a bolt from underneath goes through each hole. The nuts can then be put onto the bolts, into the little holes we've recessed, and tightened down. Oh, I forgot, actually I put some washers on first. To cover those holes and to stop anything I put on it slipping around, I've got some non-slip tape or grip tape that's got a sticky back to it. So it just needs cutting to length and then I can add strips over it. You can add this to steps and things to stop people slipping over, but for this it really worked well and anything I put on this dolly didn't move at all. The last thing I want to do is add a little leather strap to use as a handle. Now this strap is not to be used to pull it along by, because I think it would just pull out the screws or probably break the leather. It's just when I need to move the dolly around, I can pick it up and carry it easily. So that's it all done. It rolls really freely and I can see this coming in extremely handy. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.